Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create animated text over from Canva. In this video I'm using the app version, however it will be exactly the same process over on the desktop version. So in order to animate text, what you simply need to do is go to canva.com or open the app just like this. Once you've done that, start a project. I currently have just an Instagram post square because that's a nice Canva we can work on. Once you've basically opened your Canva, we want to first of all start with adding some text, because we of course need text that we can animate. So let's say that we type in that's factiete, because that's my channel name. So let me quickly type that in just like this. Then in order to start animating this, what you simply need to do is select the text. At the bottom you will find this taskbar and just scroll it a bit to the left till you find animate. Then you have a lot of different options. So first of all you have this option called all, and these are literally all the animations you basically have on Canva. You can select an animation and it will preview that animation. To play it again, just go to the top right corner of your screen and click on the playhead, and then you will be able to view it again. Now what you can also just do is go into tools right here, and you can actually start creating your own animation. In order to do that, just click on it, and now you can drag your text across the screen, and the way you drag it, that's how your animation is going to work. So let's say you're going to make a circle like this. Your animation will also start in a circle and end in a circle. Basically, you can just make the animation do whatever you want, and you can also basically just edit that animation, as you guys can see right there. Now what you can do is also some other features. So let me quickly edit this by going into custom right here and deleting this animation. Now what we also have is some other animations right here, such as motion effects. These are basically extra animations that you can add on top of an already default animation, such as the rotate animation. You can see that now the text starts rotating if this is selected, and again, if you click on it, you'll be able to change some of those settings for that animation. Now basically when you want to simply select one animation, you can click on it. If you're done and think that animation fits, what you can do is play it, and of course you can download it by going to the top right corner of your screen and then clicking on download, and then you can download it as an MP4. And that is basically the basics on how you can create animated text in Canva. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.